Broadening your horizons, understanding, cast your net wide. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, cast your net wide. This expression is not only picturesque but also rich in meaning and applications. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your idiomatic knowledge, understanding phrases like this can add depth to your communication. Let's explore what it means to cast your net wide, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, cast your net wide, originates from the activity of fishing, where a net is thrown or spread out over a large area of water to catch as many fish as possible. Metaphorically, it suggests a strategy of exploring as many options or opportunities as possible in order to increase the chances of achieving success or finding what you're looking for. In everyday usage, casting your net wide might refer to applying for various jobs, considering multiple universities, or exploring different solutions to a problem. It emphasizes openness to numerous possibilities rather than restricting oneself to a few choices. To help you better understand how to use cast your net wide in context, let's look at some examples. 1. Job searching. When searching for a new job, it's wise to cast your net wide by applying to many different companies. This increases your chances of landing a job that's right for you. 2. Making friends. If you're looking to make new friends, cast your net wide. Join clubs, attend social events, and talk to various people. You never know where you'll meet your next best friend. 3. Problem solving. If the first solution doesn't work, cast your net wide. Look for alternative approaches. Sometimes the most effective solution is not the most obvious one. These examples show that casting your net wide can be applied in various aspects of life, encouraging a comprehensive approach to achieving goals. Casting your net wide has several benefits. It increases opportunities. The more options you consider, the higher your chances of finding a desirable outcome. Encourages open-mindedness. By considering a wide range of possibilities, you become more open to different ideas and perspectives. Reduces the risk of missed opportunities. You're less likely to overlook valuable options when you're open to exploring broadly. Casting your net wide is a valuable approach in many areas of life, from career planning to personal growth. It encourages us to explore extensively, remain open to various opportunities, and thereby enhance our chances of success. Remember, the broader you cast your net, the more fish you're likely to catch. We hope this video has expanded your understanding and application of this colorful phrase. Happy fishing in the sea of life, and see you in our next video.